Well now, have you ever just sat outside on a clear night? You look up at that big, dark sky. You see all those stars twinkling way up there. They seem so still, don't they? But they are not still at all. Every single night they move just a little bit. It's a slow, steady dance across the heavens. You can't see the movement with your own eyes in just a minute or two, but night after night, week after week, their position changes. That slow, steady movement is powerful. It's a quiet power, a gentle power, and over time, it changes the whole look of the night sky. This is just like your daily life. Your life is a lot like that night sky. The things you do every day are like those stars. Each little action is a tiny point of light. It might seem small and unimportant all by itself. Making your bed, drinking a glass of water, saying a kind word, or maybe something less helpful, like hitting the snooze button one more time. These little things do matter. Each one is a small step on a long journey. Repeated over and over, they create a big, beautiful pattern in your life. One drop of rain doesn't make a river, but enough drops of rain, one after another, can carve a canyon through solid rock. Your habits work the exact same way. One healthy meal won't make you healthy. One workout won't make you strong. One page read won't make you wise. But when you repeat these small actions day after day, they gather force. They build on each other. They create momentum, just like a little stream turning into a mighty river. Your daily habits are programming you, darling. They quietly tell your mind and your body who you are and what you do. Every day you walk a path. You might not even notice you're on it. This path is made up of your routines. You wake up, you brush your teeth, you get your coffee. You do these things without much thought. These are your routines. They are like the familiar orbits of planets around the sun. The Earth doesn't have to think about circling the sun. It just does. It follows a path it has followed for a very long time. Your daily routines are your personal orbits. They shape your day and save you energy. Routines put these decisions on autopilot, freeing your mind for the important stuff. But we have to be careful. Where is this path taking me? Is my daily orbit leading me toward a brighter sun? Think about the habits you have right now. Just take a quiet moment. What do you do every morning? What do you do when you feel stressed? What do you do right before bed? These are your repeated actions, the steps that make up your path. Some habits help, like stretching 5 minutes each morning. Gentle gravity pulling you toward who you want to be. Others, like scrolling late at night, pull you away. The first step to changing your path is to see it clearly. So how does a simple little action turn into a powerful automatic habit? It's like teaching your brain a new dance. At first, you think about every step. It feels awkward. You might stumble, but practice makes it easy. Your brain learns the pattern. This is how a habit is born. It starts with a cue. It continues with a routine. It sticks with a reward. Cue, routine, reward. This little loop is happening in your mind all day long. The cue is the trigger, time, place, or feeling. The routine is the action. The reward is how it makes you feel. Cue, alarm, routine, snooze. Reward, a few more minutes of warm, cozy sleep. Repeated enough, the path gets deeper. The dance becomes automatic. It has become a habit. The loop isn't good or bad, it's how we're built to learn. The wonderful news is we can use the same loop to build good habits. Choose a cue you already have. Design a small, simple routine. Give yourself a little reward to seal the deal. Attach your tiny habit to something you already do. This is called habit stacking. It's like finding a bright star, your anchor, and using it to find your way. After I brush my teeth at night, I will put my phone on the charger across the room. After I pour my morning coffee, I will drink one big glass of water. Now comes repetition. Do it every single day, no matter what. Even if you don't feel like it. Especially if you don't feel like it. You're carving a new path in your brain, teaching your subconscious a new dance. It's your subconscious mind. the deep soil where your habit seeds grow. Your conscious mind chooses the seeds, the actions you decide to take, but your subconscious helps them grow quietly beneath the surface. It takes those repeated actions and turns them into a part of who you are. It listens to what you do, not just what you say. Go for a walk every morning and you're telling your subconscious, I am the kind of person who is active. I take care of my body. Over time, it believes you. Roots form. You become what you repeatedly do. Change is hard because the subconscious loves familiar paths, even the bad ones. If you reach for chips when stressed, that link is strong. When you try an apple instead, it resists. This isn't our usual dance, but with time and repetition, it learns. Your life is like a big, open sky. Your habits are the constellations. Some are bright and beautiful, guiding you toward health, happiness, and peace. Maybe you call your mama every Sunday. Maybe you put a little money into savings each paycheck. These patterns make your life brighter. They serve you well. Other habits are clouds. Complaining casts a shadow. Procrastination fog makes it hard to see the road ahead. They drain your energy and pull you off course. Remember, honey, you are the astronomer of your own sky. You decide which constellations to focus on and which clouds to clear away. Start with an honest look. No judgment, no shame. Get curious. What do you do on autopilot? Which actions light up your sky? Which cast a shadow? All right, so you're ready. Get a simple piece of paper and a pen, or open a note on your phone. Draw a line down the middle. On one side, write habits to keep. On the other, habits to change. Think through your day from wake to sleep. What's the very first thing you do? Maybe check your phone. Keep or change? Be honest. Make coffee, probably a keeper. Meals, work, free time, interactions. Don't rush. Include the little things, nail biting, deep breaths. Drink a soda with lunch, change. Go for a walk after dinner, keep. Watch TV 3 hours nightly, change. Read to my kids at bedtime, keep. This list is your personal star chart. For the first time, you're seeing your automatic behaviors in black and white, bringing the unconscious into the light. This list isn't a reason to feel bad. It's a tool. It's a map. It shows where you are and helps you choose where to go. Now pick one single point of light to focus on. Don't fix everything at once. You'll burn out faster than a shooting star. The secret is to start small, ridiculously small. If you scroll in bed, new habit. Put the phone on a charger across the room before you get in. Want to exercise? Start with, put on my workout clothes. That's it. That's the habit. Attach it to a solid cue, repeat daily, lay the foundation. Place that one little star night after night. Soon, it becomes automatic, part of your orbit. Celebration is your glue. After you do the tiny habit, reward yourself immediately. A smile, a fist pump, a soft, yes, I did it. That little twinkle tells your brain to do it again. Track it on a calendar. Add a gold star or check mark each day. Watch the chain grow, and don't break it. It bridges the awkward phase, makes progress real, and turns effort into joy. Be your own cheerleader.